Greetings from Salvation Mountain in California, just outside Slab City. Well, I guess I'm in Slab City. This is amazing. This has been a really amazing experience. I just did my my whatnot sale here, so I'm a little sun-fried, so forgive me if I twist my words around, because the sun's no joke out here. I had an amazing, beautiful drive down this way. I went to Bombay Beach. I saw the Salton Sea. It's been a 10 out of 10 experience. Thank you, California, for giving me some hope that I'm not meant to, I've had such bad luck since I've been here. So this has been a really, really extra pleasant experience. But I have been crossing a bunch of stuff off my bucket list, and this is definitely one. So amazing. All right, so this is all handmade. I encourage you to look up the story. It's absolutely insane. It's just by this one guy. Oh, so amazing. Everything is art out here. So neat. So let's take a walk around. I don't have much commentary just because it's so beautiful that it kind of speaks for itself. But just know I'm here with you guys. And I know when I did my whatnot sale at Cadillac Ranch, I didn't really do a video there because I was just so overwhelmed by how incredible it was. So I wanted to make sure that I did capture this moment for YouTube as well. All right, here we go. Gosh, this is amazing. Wow. This is in my top 10 experiences ever, by the way. Oh my gosh. So awesome. It's so sunny here that I can't even see what's on my phone screen. My phone overheated, and the guy here was so nice during my whatnot sale. He knew immediately what happened, walked over, and I handed him my phone, and he put it in this really neat solar powered freezer for a couple minutes. This is so fantastic. So unfortunately, this part is closed. I didn't want to come here at a busy time because I kind of just wanted to have this experience to myself, and I don't regret it. But this is amazing. Oh my gosh, wait, you can go in here. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. This is amazing. I can't believe this is all handmade. But here it is inside. Oh, wow. This is amazing. It's so crazy. It's all built by clay. Really, really amazing experience. I'm not sure where I'm gonna go next, but it's gonna be hard to top this. All right, wait till you guys see where I'm going next. This is Slab City, known as the last free place. This is so cool, man. Whoa. So freaking cool. Oh my gosh. Wait, stop. This is so cool. Church of Enlightenment. Be here now. Dude, this is the coolest place I've ever been in my life. Whoa. This is insane. This is so cool. This is insanely freaking cool. Dude.
Let's go this way. Wow, what do you guys think? Cool, huh? Yeah, dude, did I tell you?
Dude, I am super into this. This is amazing.
Isn't this awesome?
All right, here I go. Check this thing out. This is so freaking rad, man. Dude. Don't worry, I'm gonna go in. I'm just kind of enjoying all the details. I mean, look at the details going on, even on the fence. This is so cool. Wow, I'm gonna get so tan today because I am definitely, after I show this off, I'm definitely gonna stay here and enjoy it for myself. This is amazing. Wow, when I said it was gonna be hard to top this, I think it's topping it. Look at that. That is so cool. I think I found my part of California. For sure. Wow. Look at this. Dude, what? Look at this freaking car, dude. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I was about to leave and realized I didn't go in here.
Don't touch it. Just hang it. Right. Cool thing.
This is so cool, man. It is beautiful out here. What? Dude, Bombay Beach is so freaking cool, man. What is this place? I'm like driving on the wrong side of the road. Dude. What? I like the little pink one. This is amazing. Yeah, this is like what I was hoping for when I crossed the California border, for sure. Well, I finally found a public stretch on the Salton Sea, and it's very beautiful. It's weirdly desolate, very quiet. I'm definitely the only person anywhere in sight, which makes me a little uneasy, but I couldn't miss this. This is so amazing.